Welcome to beautiful 9971 Ilex Avenue here in Pacoima, California. This beautifully fully remodeled home is on the market right now for $779,000, and I'm so excited to show you inside. But before we go in, go ahead and wait until the end of the video. I have some free resources for you. Don't forget to click on them once you finish the video, okay? But in the meantime, let's just go in. I want to show you this beautifully fully remodeled home. So this home has been painted inside and outside. You're walking into this beautiful open floor plan with this beautiful living room, recessed lighting, laminate flooring. We have our beautiful dining room right here. Nice light fixture opening up to the big backyard. This house is 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 1,108 square foot, sitting on a little bit over 6,400 square foot lot here in beautiful Pacoima, California. You have tons of privacy here. We're walking into our laundry area right here and our fully new kitchen. This is new kitchen, guys. It's not remodeled, it's brand new. We have a new stove, new microwave, brand new cabinetry, and beautiful quartz countertops looking outside your backyard. I'm gonna walk you through the primary bedroom and then we'll go to the other 2 bedrooms, okay? Follow me. Click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be notified of all the new properties coming on the market in Glendale, Burbank, and San Fernando Valley, in Pacoima, Arleta, and Panorama City. But come on in, I want to show you the primary suite. So here we have our primary bedroom, beautifully remodeled with a new light fixture, laminate flooring. We do have a beautiful window here that brings in a lot of natural light. This home has tons of natural light. Even if I turn off these lights here, it's going to be pretty nice in here. It's going to be pretty light. But let me show you this big walk-in closet here, man. This is bigger than my own closet at home. Trust me when I tell you that. And we have our semi-glazed doors, which are beautiful. And here we have our primary bathroom, a beautiful new vanity, a new toilet, and we have our new tub with a window. Everything is brand new here, guys. Nothing needs to be done. New plumbing, new electrical, new AC systems, new kitchens, new bathrooms, and you have it all. You just need to bring your bags and move in here as soon as possible before it's gone. But let me take you to the other 2 rooms, okay? So the other 2 bedrooms are on the other side of the house. We have this beautiful room here, full of natural light. I mean, man, come on. I don't even have the light on here, and we have plenty of natural light here. Laminate flooring, everything is brand new here, guys. You don't have to do a single thing, trust me when I tell you this. Look, check out this sexy shower. Look at this, man, look. I wouldn't mind taking a shower in here, trust me when I tell you that. Beautiful matte porcelain tiling and beautiful vanity. I'm a big oval shape fan. I'm a big fan of oval shapes, so this is a beautiful mirror here. And I'll take you to the 3rd bedroom and final one. Here we have a beautiful bedroom here again. And trust me when I tell you, you don't need a light in here. Look how light it is. And it's about, what time is it? It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon here. We're almost done with our day. We've been videoing all day, thanks to Frankie. So let me take you to the backyard now. Okay, it's a big backyard. You could definitely put an ADU here. There's enough space here to put an additional unit. But this is a beautiful private backyard with a dog run. The lawn has been seeded, so don't pay attention to that. There's new lawn that's going to be coming up. But here we are in a covered patio right here with new electrical system right here, 200 amps. Right here, you have plenty of space here, and we have an oversized driveway, so you can you can park about 3 cars right here in the driveway. That's my car right there, and you can bring a couple of cars over here too. So there's plenty of room for you to, if you're a family and you have more than 1 or 2 cars. But we have this beautiful vinyl fencing in the backyard, right here. Creates a lot of privacy. You could put an ADU in the back if you wanted to here. I'm going to show you the dog run here. If you guys have pets like I do, we want our pets to be safe. So everything is blocked off here, guys. Everything. For those of you that have stayed until the end, I have a surprise for you. I have some free resources for home buyers and sellers. If you're looking to buy, or if you're looking to sell, or if you want to know how much your home is worth, there are links below that you can click on, and it'll walk you through step-by-step process of what a home buyer should do from beginning to the end, and what a home seller should do when they're thinking about selling their home, or if they're curious to find out how much their home is worth. Please click and subscribe to the channel below. And if you have any questions, or if you would like to see properties like this, always subscribe to my channel so you'll be the first to find out. Thank you so much for watching and staying with us. Carolyn Aliverdian from Real Estate by Carolyn over at Balboa Real Estate, putting you first every step of the way.